Welcome back, y'all, to Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we present Sneaker Sundays.
Can I offer you a penny for your thoughts?
In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about one of the most anticipated releases of 2018. The last time this shoe came out, it was 2013, so that's 5 years away. But Nike and Jordan Brand decided to bring it back. So with that being said, I'm going to give y'all a comparison of the 2013 pair and the 2018 pair. We're talking about the Shadow 1s. It's been a long time since we've seen them, so we're going to take a look at them. Before we do that, I'm going to need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we're dropping our next videos. With that being said, let's get into this shoe. Alright guys, so this is the box from the 2018 pair. If you guys are familiar with Jordan 1s, usually it doesn't have this on here. Usually have like a white tag that has the size and everything, but they usually don't have this black tag. This is new. It's the first Jordan 1 to come with this black tag on the box. Typical Jordan 1 box, Nike here, Nike here, Nike here, you know, typical vibe. I don't care about the box, let's get it out there, man. This right here is the 2018 pair. As you can see, it's fresh. I haven't even laced it or anything. So comes with an extra set of lasers, great laces. You know, Shadow. Got this good leather, man. This is good premium leather. Something that they didn't have in the 2013 pair. The leather on here is amazing. Inside out. Check the outside out. Clean shoe, man. Definitely a clean shoe. See the back? Has that great leather in there. Put this down. Let's talk about it, man. Like, this leather on here is amazing, man. I'm happy that Jordan Brand has been. With the Jordan 1s recently, they've been giving some good premium leather, and that's great for the Jordan 1s because if you know Jordan 1's crease in the front, you get a crease going across. With this leather, it doesn't tend to crease as fast, so that's good. You get your money's worth with this shoe. Clean shoe, black and gray, Shadow. Haven't seen these since 2013, man. Great shoe. I got a pair from 2013. I'm about to show you guys right now. This right here, the 2013 pair. Looks exactly the same, right? This one is laced up. We got a little wear and tear on this one. Flip sides. Hold on for a second. Flip sides. Little wear and tear on this one. As you can see, this one doesn't have the premium leather, but I don't have that much of a crease. I tend not to wear my sneakers as much. You know, leather on the inside. Has the same tongue, like air on the tongue here. Like air on the tongue here. This one has white in the inside. This one has black in the inside. So that's a little different right there, as you can see. Insides. No. So this one has wear and tear. 2013 pair. I kept them kind of fresh. What you guys think? This 2018 pair, man. Like I said, I can't get over this great leather that Nike and Jordan Brand has been giving us this year with the ones, man. It kind of reminds me and my sneaker people, we call it the shattered backboard material. The leather that they gave on the first shattered backboards. Great material, man. This leather is really soft, man. It's like butter soft leather. If you guys are able to get your hands on a pair of these, man, you guys should. I think it's a really dope shoe, man. Black and gray pretty much goes with anything. If you're a Spurs fan in the playoffs right now, you can wear it with your Spurs jersey. You can wear it with your Raiders jersey when football season comes around. You know, so, you know, that being said, I gotta rate this shoe, man. So, this shoe right here, man, is such a classic, man. I love this shoe so much, man. I'm gonna give this shoe 4 out of 5 pennies, man, because the leather, the black and gray, you pretty much wear it with anything all summer, or you wear it in the winter time. This is an all year round shoe. Dope shoe, man. You guys, man, definitely get your hands on a pair of these, man, if you're able to, man. They probably sold out by now, but definitely get your hands on a pair, man. And with that, hold on, but before we go anywhere, make sure y'all get this Penny for Your Thoughts merch, man. I'm waiting in every video. You know, if you guys want to reach out to us, you guys want to get any merchandise from us, or even have a conversation with us, you can leave a comment and you can leave a comment below, or you can reach us at our email address at p4yt2016@gmail.com, or you can reach us on our social media platforms at PENNY_4YT. And with that being said, keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.
Can I offer you a penny for your thoughts?